Never. But we have to always, when we do not back out because natakot tayo, umatras tayo. Alam mo, I don't know about other places, pero dito sa gobyernong ito, hindi tayo umaatras sa laban. We are brave. Filipinos are brave. But we do not. Sinong Pinoy na gusto magkagera? Sino? Kahit maghanap ka para sa akin, kahit isa. Kahit yung sundalo, kahit yung Coast Guard, ayaw nila ng gulo. So, no. But at the same time, we have a duty to perform. And that is to defend the country. So no, we never back down. We always continue to do. Our uniformed personnel, the Navy, the Coast Guard, the Army, the Marines, all of them, the Air Force, all of them are pledged. They took an oath. And they're just doing their duty, they're performing their mission, defend the Philippines. Yun lang naman ang ginagawa nila. And we will not stop doing it. We will not stop doing it. Mas magiging magaan ang kalooban natin.